Here is the elevator at, where are we? I don't even know. I'll have to look. It's over there. I don't know where we are. Ah, here it is. Thank you. At 23. Going up. What floor for you?
14, please.
No,
14. 14 for you too?
Yes.
Perfect. Alright, Ian, let's see how fast this thing is.
What now?
I need a job like this. Not what you're doing. Installing this.
Oh, you installing stuff like this?
I can imagine what they charge here to install this for the person that's documented.
All we do is drop off. They got different contractors that does it. So they probably charge me money.
Yeah.
There you are.
All right, man. Up to you.
Go.
14.
Thanks, bud.
You guys have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Thanks.
Alright. That's pretty cool. Got a Otis Series 4. Treasure Island. That's what this one is. Treasure Island condominiums.
You know, some of them
Yeah, some of them are replaced with VRs. 23. You want to go see if we can walk out? I bet we can. That's hot. There's a roof access. Wow. We are a lot higher over here than over there. You can kind of walk out around this whole section here. Yeah, you can see around basically the whole thing. Walkway only goes as far as over there, so you can't walk the whole area, but you can walk most of it. It's pretty cool. Okay, I don't know why they did that, but okay. Guess we gotta go back this way. We're already as outside as it gets, so. That is really hot. There's only one call. Oh, it stayed here for us. That's polite. I always say that like that. I want to say this is one of the multicolor arrows, but I didn't look at it when we were getting in because there was other people coming in after us. Go to 1. Hopefully we don't stop for pickup, but with how busy these places are, I doubt it. I'm just glad to find something that's not just innovation. Alright, you ready to go back out? Going down.
going down.
Yep.
First one.
Yep. Boy.
Going down.
They're gonna wait, Ian. Okay. Helps to
You guys
have.
stopped on every floor.
Not really. Yours was the first.
Going down.
Helps to have the service keys.
Thank you.
Alright.
How are y'all?
Doing alright, how are you?
Good.
Alright, Ian. Almost there. Alright, here we are. Travel times aren't too bad. It took us 2 minutes. Alright. Oh, there's a multicolor arrow. Hold on, Ian. Come on. We're gonna walk back out on the street area. Yeah, that is a multicolor. That's cool.